Do you get really upset when you realize that you just made a mistake? You might be also frustrated by the thumbnail and the title of this video. Why should I love this mistake? Why should I make them more? Just bear with me for several minutes and I will tell you why is that crucial to make the mistakes as much as possible. And also I will tell you the secret how actually you need to make them in order to grow, but not just to make mistakes, right? Hello everyone, my name is Alena Brivkina and I am a certified exponential life coach. And in my channel, I tell you about life coaching, about motivation, and how to boost your confidence. Recently, I actually realized where confidence comes from. I personally, as a kid, asked so much, what is the key to success? Why all those people are so successful? Why they are so wealthy? Why there are people in the world that have 5 and 10 cars, whether others have just a bike, and some don't even have this one. And recently I got an insight which I want to share with you in this video. So right now you need to understand that my main interest is YouTube and publishing videos as much as I can, and also asking you to subscribe to my channel and like this video and do everything, all those stuff. You know how it works, like, because the algorithm works this way, and you know because I told you about this, right? So I realized that how I increased my confidence so much, how I boosted my energy, and how I get to this point when I can create those videos and be rather confident in them and some sort of use my acting skills, even though I have never had any acting lessons in my life at all. I realized that in order to get that key secret ingredient to become successful in life, you need just to keep doing what you do. You need to keep publishing your posts, you need to keep publishing your videos, you just need to increase that weight of your experience, and with this weight you became much confident. But don't increase the actual weight of your body, okay? I don't know, how would I know that I increased that level or I become confident? Well, that is just a feeling, and you will know this and you will realize how it all works. I have seen so many conversations in my life before, but actually that is the truth. I cannot put it in any other words. The fun fact is that I have heard this thing so many times before, but I realized it only several days ago. Because you need to live through those insights. That is not enough to just hear them from other people, but you need to have your own experience, after which you will eventually realize that, oh, right now I got it, what it means. And not just accidentally, so many people in the end of the interview answering the question, what would you advise your younger self or the person who just starts the journey like yours? Well, I would recommend to just keep going and keep doing things as they are, but keep doing the things that you enjoy. And also the thing is not to switch your topics after your first success. You need to become a proficient in this topic, so you should choose your sphere wisely. Does it mean that I should choose that sphere once in my life and I won't be able to change it anyhow? No, it doesn't work like this. At least I don't believe that. You will just grow, and with your growth you will realize that your interests are changing as well, and that is completely normal. So your audience will grow with you as well, or there will be people who don't want to grow with you, and you don't want to be with this audience, right? Oh, now I see. Thank you so much. So from that conversation, we can learn that we just need to keep doing what we do, keep believing in yourself, but at the same time, experiment and take risks. Because if you will do completely the same thing every time, you won't grow. It doesn't work like this. What does work is evolving on each step of your ladder, is experimenting and creating something new, but keep yourself in one sphere. For example, my main sphere over here right now is coaching, and I want to uncover that topic for you from the different approaches, from the different angles, and I try to create something interesting for each video, but the main topic is the same. I hope that makes sense for you. One more example is when people asked me, I don't know how you gained such a confidence, how you can be so proficient with your speech. You probably completed several courses on your public speaking. The truth is, go watch my first video on this channel. Just watch it. My speech on this video was really bad. I was not confident at all. I didn't know what I was doing at all. But the main thing that I had is my belief that eventually I will grow, that eventually I will understand what is my own way, how is better to put camera, how is better to put light, how it's better to put my laptop, so everything is playing with each other and there is no any different way to learn this. So if I would like to, in the very beginning, invited the YouTube coach and asked him, okay, how you should think I put my laptop, how you should think I can use my space, how you should think I can use my light and my camera and my microphone. Probably he or she told me something, but eventually I still need to do my work. I still need to go through my own experience. It is just how life works. There is no other way of doing this. And we all know this phrase, right? That practice makes it perfect. It is not just a phrase. It is a truth. Probably you don't understand or you don't believe that is true right now, but just believe it. And through your experience, you will realize it, you will feel it, you will understand the real meaning of that phrase. I also loved that metaphor that YouTubers are like sports champions. First, they spend so much time in the gym in front of the camera to practice as much as they can, and then they have their own Olympics. They have that moment of truth at the same arena, the same in front of the camera, but there will be one magical moment when all your efforts will pay you back. And also right now I want you to tell one more example. One of the students from my English coaching groups asked me, Alona, how do you realize that it is actually the moment when you can go and start coaching native speakers? The fun fact is that I still don't understand that I can or cannot coach them. You just go and had the most terrible coaching session you ever had in your life, but it is the only way how you can learn things. One more fun fact. Right now, I repeated that very phrase for 10 times because I just didn't like how it sounded and I constantly repeated my mistakes, and that is how I became confident. If during that video you realized that, okay, Alona, now I know that I have that goal, but what is the amount of mistakes that I need to do in order to accomplish that? I don't know what is the number for your sphere, but for my success in YouTube, I know that I need to get at least 53 videos published on my channel. That is the statistics of my favorite YouTuber Ali Abdal. At the same time, I know that the average statistics are you need to get 153 videos published in order to reach your first 1000 of subscribers. And that is the amazing moment when we start get the monetization of the YouTube. So that is easy. I understand that I need to publish approximately 100 not Warner Brothers quality videos, but just some videos, of course helpful for you, that eventually will lead me to that amazing 1000 of subscribers. I swear that you have the same information, the same data in the internet somewhere. Just keep researching until you find this. How many more mistakes I need to do in order to grow my business up to $1 million per year? How many upset clients I needed to have in order to grow my business till that point? Or how many very bad quality posts I need to post in Instagram in order to grow to 1000 subscribers as well? So these are much more specific and narrow questions that you want to ask our friends Google and YouTube in order to understand what is that level of mistakes that you need come through in order to achieve your goal. I know that there are people in the world who've done this already. You just can learn from their experience or invent your own. All of those things that I've told you about in this video aren't just sentences that I created by my own. I learned them through my own experience. And recently I was in a meeting with an amazing writer and artist. Her name is Tamara, and she was telling us about her story. Her story was full of challenges, full of not easy family issues. And I asked myself, what kept my attention so much during all those 1.5 hours of her story? There were 3 main factors. First of all, she told us about so intimate moments in her life so transparently. Number 2, the overall amount of challenges that she needed to come through in her life just amazed me. And that is the energy that you can feel without any explanation. You just feel that energy. That person experienced so much in her life that you just want to gravitate towards her. And that is again the sign of the confidence. And number 3, she told us about everything with an incredible sense of humor. So that is the formula. Have a number of challenges in your life, tell people about them transparently, and also use your sense of humor a lot. By the way, comment please down below whether you like my sense of humor or not, because I'm actually trying here. So from your own mistakes, you will become much confident and stronger inside. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger, right? From all your mistakes, you will gain that unique energy that people will gravitate towards to, because they will feel it with their gut. You will find your own unique way to success, and you will boost your confidence a lot. I hope that from this video you really understand that your mistakes are your best friends in your way to success, and success may mean different things, right? Though the main one is you shouldn't compare yourself with others. You should compare yourself with your past self. And in order to dig deeper in this field, I invite you to watch this video about how not to compare ourselves with others. So I see you there. Thank you again and enjoy!